Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Debbie at Nitty Nails. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Leonie's Nail Art. Our theme was anything related to knitting. Now, I'm using a peel-off latex polish as a base today, and this is Damon Roberts 1968. Beautiful OPI polish. This is an old, very rare polish. I'm sure you can find something in a similar tone or shade. In fact, in my collection, I have a couple. But this one was very special to me, and I was excited to be able to break it out. Here we go with our second coat of Damon Roberts, 1968. Beautiful, beautiful. Even as old as it is, it's just an amazing polish. Beautiful formula. Not woody. Cleanup brush. I am topping this one with I&M's Out the Door. And before I forget, I will have a hashtag down below, as well as a list of all the participants in this collaboration. Isn't that stunning? Love it. I'll be using BMXL018 today. This is like a little yarn image. It's really the only thing I ran across that spoke to me. I'll be using Folklore by Maniology to stamp this today. But definitely go over to Instagram and use the hashtag to find all the manicures, or just check out all the people that participated. Got my pretty little balls of yarn on my nails. I'm going to clean that plate with some pure acetone, and we're just going to go at it some more. Going to do some more of this. Now, I've done a lot of collabs, and I really do love collabs, you guys. I think that they're fun. I like seeing different people's take on themes and stuff. But this one was kind of out of I was like, knitting? What? So I did the best I could. I think it turned out okay. I've already seen all the other beautiful manicures, and I'm here to tell you, these ladies are really cool when it comes to, figuring out some twists and turns on these types of themes. I am using some of that Northern Lights, just a really fine dusting of hollow on the blank nails that I didn't stamp on. Just give them a little bit of something. And I'll be topping the stamped nails with some of the Maniology smudge-free top coat. I don't need that on the glittered ones, so we're just going to skip that. But I am going to top everything off with Posh Top Coat today. And finish this one here off. It's very delicate, very, but when I think of, knitted stuff, that's what I think. Warm, fuzzy, soft, easy. There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.